Hello friends, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 4th of July macarons. These macarons I made with white macaron shells and I filled them with the classic American buttercream. In this video I'm gonna show you how to place buttercream in a bag to make these colors, how to color American buttercream, and how to fill macarons. Just look at them. So pretty. If you're ready, let's get started. To make American buttercream, we need butter, and I'm using unsalted butter, powdered sugar, heavy cream, vanilla extract, you can also use vanilla bean paste, salt, and food coloring. I'm using red and blue gel food coloring from Chef Master. In a mixing bowl of stand mixer, add butter. I'm using butter at room temperature. And at the mixer I'm using paddle attachment. I like to use paddle instead of whisk. It's just creating less bubbles when you're making buttercream. So whip for a few minutes. Then start adding powdered sugar. And I'm adding a few tablespoons at a time. I just don't like to put all powdered sugar at once because it can create a lot of mess in the kitchen. And I'm using spatula right here to add powdered sugar. And in this recipe I'm using unsalted butter. That's why I'm adding salt. But if you're going to be using salted butter, then you can just skip salt in a recipe. Just continue whipping until there is powdered sugar and butter combined. That's what I have. And then I'm using spatula, just making sure there is no powdered sugar left on the bottom of the mixing bowl. And I'm adding salt, vanilla extract, and heavy cream. In this recipe, heavy cream can be replaced with milk or half and half if you like. Just continue whipping, just make sure everything combined. Then stop mixer, clean the paddle attachment, and again using spatula just mix this buttercream. Make sure there is nothing on the bottom of the mixing bowl. That's how it looks. Now I have two clear bowls with two spatulas, and I'm dividing buttercream into 3 parts. 1 part I'm leaving in the mixing bowl and 2 parts in a small mixing bowls. This way we're gonna have 3 colors. I'm using blue gel food coloring, and I'm adding just 1 little drop first and then mixing with the spatula. Then I'm adding more food coloring and mixing again. The same I'm doing with the red food coloring. Just 1 drop first and then I'm gonna add more. And it all depends on food coloring. Just see if you need to add more drops or less. This one I'm using, it was kind of more orange than red. We need 3 small piping bags and 1 large piping bag, and I'm using Wilton 4B piping tip. And now into small bags we're gonna transfer buttercream. First we're transferring blue buttercream, and I like to use small bags, and I'll tell you a little bit later why. Just like this. Then red, and now white buttercream, the one we left in the mixing bowl. It's not pure white, I didn't add any food coloring. It all depends on the butter that you're using. Some can be more yellowish and some can be more white. Now we have all buttercream in 3 piping bags. We need plastic wrap, just not really large piece, just place on a table. Each bag cut a little tip, and now on this plastic wrap pipe some buttercream. And you see this why I like to use small piping bags and transfer buttercream in a separate bags. When we're piping on a plastic wrap, it's all even amount. Now using plastic wrap, make a little log, and if you have plastic wrap, just cut it off and cut from one side. And now this log with the buttercream placed in this large bag with the piping tip. This way you will have the same amount when you're going to be filling macarons. I made some macaron shells. They're white. I'm gonna leave separate link to the video where I'm sharing my tip how to make macaron shells pure white. And then pipe buttercream on the one flat side of the macaron shell. Then sandwich macaron with another macaron shell and press lightly. Make sure there is no buttercream coming out from the sides of the macaron. And when you're done sandwiching them, place in an airtight container and place in refrigerator for at least 12 hours. Macarons needs to mature before you can enjoy them. I also want to show you that I made mini macaron shells and I pipe with the same buttercream, just a little different piping technique because macaron shells were very small and I couldn't do the full swirl. If you like, subscribe, hit like and follow me for more recipes. Thank you for watching and happy baking!